Hey Adam, so let me quickly show you how you could do this. I will do this with WooCommerce products and their categories right now because I have this demo installation here with some good categories, so I don't have to create them. But in the end, you only have to change the taxonomy, which should be pretty obvious. You can see I have this blank page here, and I want to add a tabs nestable in there. Now what you want to do is you want to go to the first tab menu item. Of course, we only need one because we want to use a query loop. So I delete the second one. And for the first one, I use a query loop. And I say I want to query terms because I want to loop through the categories, or in my case, the product categories. So you would choose the categories here. I go with product categories. And then I leave it to name ascending. Of course, you can also select specific categories if you only want one or two of them, but I will leave it to use all the categories available. And you can already see it, it populated it multiple times. Now I go to the text, and in here I want to show the name of the category. So in this case, it's term name. And you will already see that we have the terms here. So let me save, let me go to the front end, and you can see it looks like this. So this looks pretty good. Now in the content, it's the same. We only need one pane because we want to duplicate it using the query loop. So we use the same query here again. So I say terms, and I say, in my case, product categories, and I leave the rest as is. And in there, I want to use another query because you want to output, I think this is your page, yeah, you want to output multiple of the posts in your case, or in my case, products within the content now. So within the pane, so we have this term query in the pane, and in the pane, I add another, for example, block for my products. So I add a heading for the product here. So, and I do a loop on this block now. So here we query through the terms, and now we want to query through the products that have this term, or in your case, the posts that have the category. So I go to query. This time I want to query posts. And in my case, I want to query products, not regular posts. And let me quickly go to the heading and choose post title here. And you will see now it gets products, but at the moment it just gets all products, and we don't have a connection to this taxonomy here. So in this product query, I want to add a taxonomy query. So I want to say that I want the product category, in your case, again, it's the regular category. The term ID you can leave as is. And here we choose term ID as the term. So this means I want all products whose product category has the term ID of our outer query. So of this pane term query here. It's a bit hard to explain, but let's see what this does. So in accessories, you can already guess beanies, sunglasses, cap. This sounds a lot like accessories. In clothing, we get some more. In decor, we only get this pennant. In hoodies, we only get hoodies. Music, single album, t-shirts. So this looks perfectly fine. So this is a setup. You have one query, you query the terms in your tab menu. Then you query the term again in the pane. And within this second term query, you query the posts, or in my case, products, and you connect them with this taxonomy query. So I hope this helps. Let me know if it helped.